Good evening, students. Welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 6 of exercise 6.2 of chapter 6, triangles, for class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 6 says, in figure A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. So AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. So show that BC is parallel to QR. So we have to show that BC, this is being parallel to QR. This we have to show, and ABC are the points. So A is on OP, B is on OQ and C is on OR. So for starting the question, we will be taking the triangles. In this figure, there are many triangles, but we will be selecting two triangles from which we will be solving the question. So we are taking here, because we see that AB is parallel to PR, so we are taking the triangle POQ, and the next triangle we will be taking POR, because over here the condition which is being given to us is AC is parallel to PR. So let us write down taking the triangle POQ. So taking triangle POQ, and the condition which is being given to us here is AB is parallel to PQ. It is being given to us in the question already. So here we see that this condition is given to us, and also AB is parallel to the third side of the triangle, and A and B lie on the rest of the two sides of the triangle. Okay, so here the basic proportionality theorem is applicable, or we can say the theorem 6.1 is applicable over here, which is the Thales theorem. Okay, so the theorem 6.1 is applicable, so we can easily say that OA upon AP is equal to OB upon BQ. Okay, so we can easily give this conclusion from here, and we can write down the reason behind it, that basic proportionality theorem. Theorem 6.1 is applicable over here. Okay. So now taking the another set of triangle, let us mark it as equation number 1. So now taking the another set of triangle POR. This is the another set of triangle, and this triangle POQ we have already covered. Okay, so taking triangle POR. So over here also the condition which is being given to us is that A and C are on the two sides of the triangle, and AC is parallel to the third side. Okay, so here also the basic proportionality theorem is applicable. So what all is given to us? Let us first write that AC is parallel to PR. It is already being given to us. Okay, so here also the basic proportionality theorem, or the Thales theorem, or theorem 6.1 is applicable. Okay, so let us write down the conclusion from here, that OA upon AP, this is OA upon AP is equal to OC upon CR. Okay, OA upon AP is equal to OC upon CR. Okay, so this is the conclusion from AC parallel to PR. Okay, so let us mark it as equation number 2, and also write the reason behind it. The reason is the same. It is because of the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, the reason is same. Basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so from 1 and 2 we see that The LHS is same, OA upon AP is same, so the OA upon OP is equal to OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR, okay. So from equation 1 and equation 2, we can say OA upon AP is equal to OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. Okay, so it is clear from both the equations that all three are equal. Okay, so now in order to have BC parallel to QR, if we can say that OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR, and B and C are the such points that they lie in the triangle, that lie on the sides of the triangle OQR, and so from the converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can easily say BC is parallel to QR. So we are getting over here one result. If we take OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. If we take these two, so from here we are easily getting the result over here. So we can easily say OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR, okay. And so in triangle OQR, B and C are points on sides OQ and OR respectively. So in triangle OQR, B and C are the points on the sides OQ and OR respectively. So from here we can easily say that the converse of basic proportionality theorem, that was theorem 6.2, is easily applicable over here. And from the theorem converse of basic proportionality theorem, that is the theorem 6.2, we can easily say BC is parallel to QR. Okay, so hence BC is parallel to QR. Okay, we can also write down the reason over here. The reason is that converse of basic proportionality theorem Theorem 6.2 is applicable. Okay, so we have already covered the theorems, the theorem 6.1 and theorem 6.2. So from 6.1 we stated the conditions, and from both the equations then we got the condition OP upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. That means it is dividing in the same ratio. B and C are the points on the sides of the triangle. On the two sides of the triangle OQR, the sides are OQ and OR, and they are dividing in this equal ratio. They are dividing the sides in the equal ratio. That means OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. So that is, if this is true, then definitely BC is parallel to QR according to the converse of basic proportionality theorem, that is the theorem 6.2. So in this manner we need to solve such type of questions. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.